Hello, welcome to Nigel and Kath's Adventures. Today we've come to St. Francis Monastery. It's called Gorton Monastery and it's very old, designed by Pugin, and it's an absolutely wonderful building which was destroyed almost but now has been restored by a married couple who wanted to do this and have raised money locally. So the Queen and the Duke of Edinburgh visited. We're in the cloisters of Gorton Monastery. This is where it used to be a vegetable garden for the Franciscan friars who ran it. The reason this monastery has got significance for me is when I was a little girl of about 5, I used to go to school here. This was our parish church. I lived about a mile away and they had 3 schools right next to it, and the nuns and the priests used to be very much involved with the school. And we used to have lots of festivals going on here. So it really was a big part of my life. So that's one reason that we're back today. Got a place to sit, which is really nice. It looks so peaceful and tranquil here. Still got the original. Yeah, this will take us through to the shop and the cafe. It's a lovely little area, isn't it? Pictures here. This wall is where all the pictures used to hang. As you can see, they were on this little thing sticking out of the wall, and it was all the stations of the cross. And from school at Easter time, we used to all have to come and kneel and pray at each station of the cross, but the pictures seem to have been taken down, which is quite sad really. These are the family of the Pugins, who were the architects. This is the one who designed the monastery, Edward Welby Pugin. Well, there were 4 of them by the look of it. Gives all the years here. So this Pugin was 1834 to 1875. They look really nice through the windows here, don't they? With all the leaded lights. Looks really pretty. That's interesting. In the early 18th century, Gorton was a small rural village in fields. The Friars arrived in 1861, and big engineering companies made Gorton into a big industrial area. Can't imagine it being a village. There's no name on that. It doesn't look like a familiar statue that I've ever seen. It might be to depict the Virgin Mary and Jesus. This is a picture of DJI Peacock and Company Limited, and you can see here that they made steam trains. And I remember the steam trains, when they were finished, the engines, the locomotives used to come across the road. There were actually railway tracks across the main road, and people used to come out of all the houses to see it. Well, that was Gorton Monastery. What an amazing place. I'm so pleased that they've managed to restore some of it. It will never be its former glory, but it was great. I hope you can visit it at some point, because it has got a lot of history. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It's absolutely free, and we're putting lots of good stuff on. Click like and press the bell, and you'll be notified by YouTube when we do another one. Bye for now.